rear cargo tray for the from Vector Offroad. This bolts straight to the factory roll bar in the back, and it's pretty simple. And we're just going to put it together and bring it all along on the install. It shouldn't take long at all. First thing we're going to do is just take this protective film off. The tools you'll need are a 13mm socket for the bolts to go into the roll bar, and then everything else is an 11mm socket. You can see I had to take the trim piece off right there, and that opens up those two factory screws that we're going to use for the nuts in the roll bar. All right. Not sure you can do it with one person. It makes it a little tough, but we'll tighten those bolts. I don't know how much of what you all saw of the other one, but it just gives you a nice shelf to put stuff on, and then you got ample space underneath for like a fridge and other things. As we build out, we'll get the same. So I'll tighten these bolts up here real quick. The tray is not adjustable, but it sits basically 24 inches above the deck. Now they use the wing nuts along the side of the tray, and I presume that's so that you can take the tray out. I'm probably going to replace them with some nylon lock bolts or nuts, because I'm not going to be taking this out. Guys, as always, if you like what we're doing here, please like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for the next piece that we add on. It should be the rooftop tent. So thanks for watching.